At our forecast a little closer to home, we've got Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum joining us. What can we expect as we head into the weekend, Dave?
Fortunately, nothing tropical, which is good news, but still hot, humid weather out there. While Aaron is going away, kind of working its way well off to the north here, we still have Invest 90, which could become a tropical storm this weekend, going to stay out at sea, maybe impact Bermuda. And Invest 99, which is going to work its way to the Caribbean, but battling a lot of wind shear, not expected to develop into much, may briefly become a tropical depression, but that would be about it as it continues its track there off to the west. For us this weekend, hot, humid weather out there, more of those scattered storms, very similar to what we saw today. Now, a cold front comes through Sunday night into Monday. That's going to lower the humidity, allow for some much cooler temperatures here. And next week, we'll call it comfortable temperatures. Highs only in the 80s, in some cases lower 80s, with lows in the 50s and 60s as that week progresses. So get ready for some changes there. Downtown, partly cloudy sky here. Missed the heavy rain today, which was good after the last 2 days of getting it. 77 degrees, some calm winds out there. Dew point 73. Could see some patchy fog in spots tonight, so be aware of that. It's 80 in Tuscaloosa, 75 there from Double Springs with some rain nearby into Jasper as well. Aniana, Asheville, Gadsden, at Talladega, all at 75. Same for you down in Clanton. One little lone shower over Houston here in Winston County. It's just along and south here of Highway 278, headed toward Double Springs. Not expected to last too long, but bringing you all a little bit of a downpour there. We do also have some flood advisories, still one for part of Walker as well as into Jefferson County here. This one goes until 10:45. One up here in Blount County going till 11:15. That's from the earlier heavy rain that we had, but fortunately that rain's come to an end for now. We do have a trough still sitting along the coast. This has been meandering north and south the last couple of days, but we're going to watch this low. That's going to move over the state tomorrow, helping to bring us another round of some scattered showers and thunderstorms. So overnight tonight, upper 60s, lower 70s for our low temperatures. Maybe you're heading out to Pepper Place tomorrow morning for the farmers market. 72 at 7 a.m., maybe a little bit some clouds and fog, possibly some showers developing as early as 11 a.m. Temperatures warming up to 81 degrees. And for the weekend, 87 tomorrow, that 40% chance of rain, and 88 on Sunday, along with more of those scattered storms. So here's how Futurecast looks overnight tonight. The clouds out there, maybe a little fog tomorrow morning for you early risers. But then from lunchtime to the afternoon, we're going to see these scattered showers and thunderstorms coming up as that low sits down to our south. They'll continue into the evening hours here too. At dinner time, you can still see some of that rain expected to work its way through central Alabama, continuing through maybe about 10, 11 o'clock on Saturday. That'll end temporarily into Sunday morning, but then here comes our cold front as that builds in scattered storms from lunchtime through the afternoon here into the evening hours on Sunday as that front moves in by Sunday night, slowly dropping those temperatures and the humidity, but really going to feel that humidity drop as we get into Monday, and that continues into Tuesday as well too. And not only dropping the humidity, but also those temperatures staying below that normal high of 90 all week. How about Tuesday's high around 80 as you wake up Tuesday morning? Lower 60s to mid 60s, but check this out into Wednesday, upper 50s to lower 60s. How about that as we begin the middle part of next week? There you see the heat this weekend, lower temperatures even into next weekend, highs to lower to middle 80s.